Hello, my name is Anton and I'm Chief Architect at ProfiSeaLabs.com. And today I want to show you how to add your first account within it. I already have an account, so just logged in. Once you're logged in, the first thing that you need to do is basically to add your cloud account. How to do that? Really simple. You go into Account Manager. After that, you click on Add New Account and you have two options, which is AWS and Google Cloud. Google Cloud is coming soon. It's going to be released really soon. So let's add AWS account. I'm clicking on AWS account and I have two different options. First option is access key and the second option is the account role. So I can use my own account and its access key and a secret key, or I can create a role and then use this role in order to connect to my AWS account. I will be using the access key. So click on access key. After that, you will need to add the access key, secret key, and you will need to add the account name, which is optional. This is a display name of your cloud account within our platform. If you don't know how to create an account, what kind of permissions that account need to have, you can click on how to grant access. It will ask you a couple of the questions. I want to use the existing account. Yes, I do. I want to use the additional features, and yes, I do. So like you can click yes, 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 and then it will generate you the details. You also can change your response, like no, I don't have, no, I don't have, no. So you can change those details later on, or you can run the questions one more time. So it will show you how to create the account. It will give you step-by-step instruction how to do everything. It will even generate your AWS policy that you can simply copy, paste to your AWS account. That's it, really simple.